The truth is, no one will help you the way you can help yourself. It's a hard truth, but it's one that we must all come to understand. Success, growth, and progress aren't handed to us by anyone. In fact, the greatest gift you can give yourself is the ability to stand tall, even when the world around you seems to be crumbling. Your strength lies within you. Self reliance is one of the most powerful forces that drives us toward success. At its core, it's the understanding that we are the architects of our lives, and it's through our own actions that we shape our destiny. Or, when you rely on yourself, you create a foundation of independence that gives you the strength to stand tall in the face of challenges. The idea of self reliance pushes you to take control of your own life and decisions rather than waiting for someone else to pave the way for you. In today's world where distractions are endless and external validation is often sought for comfort, it can be easy to fall into the trap of depending on others for motivation, guidance, or reassurance. But true success doesn't come from leaning on others. Instead, it comes from the quiet moments of introspection, when you look within and ask yourself, what can I do today to move forward? When you rely on others, there's a sense of dependency that can leave you vulnerable to disappointment. No matter how supportive the people around you are, they can't always be there to push you forward or solve your problems. And even if they are, they may not always see your vision or understand your unique struggles. That's why it's crucial to develop a mindset of self-reliance. Because at the end of the day, the person who knows you best, who understands your dreams, your goals, and your capacity to overcome adversity is you. When you depend on yourself, you develop a sense of ownership over your life. This ownership isn't just about taking credit for the good things. It's about taking responsibility for the challenges and setbacks too. Life will never be a smooth ride. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns, and moments where everything feels uncertain. But rather than feeling helpless when those moments arise, self-reliance gives you the confidence to know that no matter what happens, you have the tools, skills, and resilience to handle it. Even when things don't go according to plan, you understand that it's part of your journey, and you take charge of finding solutions. Self-reliance also teaches you the value of personal growth. When you choose to depend on yourself, you push yourself to expand your capabilities. You become more resourceful, more creative, and more determined. Each time you solve a problem on your own or overcome an obstacle, you gain confidence in your ability to navigate the complexities of life. This growth is essential because it helps you become more adaptable and better equipped to handle whatever challenges lie ahead. The more you rely on yourself, the more you grow into the person you were always meant to be. It's easy to look at others who seem to have it all figured out and wonder how they got there. We might look at someone else's success and think, if only I had their connections, their luck, their resources, or their opportunities, I could do that too. This type of thinking only holds us back. When you focus on what others have, you take away the power that you have within yourself. Instead of comparing your journey to someone else's, it's important to remember that you have the power to create your own path. Self-reliance is about trusting in your own abilities and refusing to rely on anyone else's success or support to define your own. The beauty of self-reliance is that it empowers you to create your own opportunities. Life won't always hand you the perfect circumstances or open doors for you at the right moment. But when you depend on yourself, you learn how to create those opportunities. You begin to see challenges not as roadblocks but as stepping stones, each one teaching you something new about yourself, your strengths, and your capabilities. Whether it's through learning a new skill, seeking out new experiences, or embracing failures as opportunities for growth, you discover that you are the one who has the power to shape your future. Building self-reliance also allows you to develop resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Life has a way of testing us, throwing challenges and obstacles in our path. But when you rely on yourself, you become more equipped to handle these tests. Instead of looking for someone to pick you up, you learn to pick yourself up. And each time you do, you become stronger, more capable, and more certain of your ability to overcome whatever comes your way. Ultimately, self-reliance fosters a sense of empowerment that cannot be found in waiting for someone else to solve your problems or make things happen for you. You realize that the power to change your life lies in your own hands. The strength to move forward, the will to push through difficulty, and the clarity to make decisions. These are all qualities that come from within. When you stand on your own, trusting in your abilities, you become unstoppable. No external force or opinion can shake your belief in yourself. You take full ownership of your journey, and in doing so, you unlock the boundless potential that lies within you. Believing in yourself is the foundation upon which all great achievements are built. It is the internal compass that guides you through the chaos and uncertainty of life, helping you stay grounded and focused on your goal. Self-belief is not just a fleeting feeling or an abstract concept. It is a powerful force that propels you toward your dreams, even when the path is difficult, unclear, or filled with obstacles. The importance of believing in your own potential cannot be overstated because it is the spark that ignites the fire of determination and perseverance. When you believe in yourself, you are no longer swayed by the opinions of others or limited by your doubts. Self-belief allows you to see beyond the immediate challenges and visualize the bigger picture, the goals you are striving for, and the life you want to create. This belief serves as a shield against the negativity and criticism that might come your way. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that others have a clearer path or more opportunities. But the truth is, self-belief is the great equalizer. No matter where you come from or what resources you have, the one thing that no one can take from you is the belief in your own ability. It doesn't matter how many doors are closed in your face or how many times you fail. If you believe in yourself, you will continue moving forward, no matter the setbacks. Self-belief isn't about arrogance or assuming that everything will come easily. It's not about thinking that you are always right or that things will work out without effort. Rather, it's the unwavering conviction that you are capable of overcoming whatever challenges come your way. It's the understanding that even when things get tough, you have the skills, resilience, and tenacity to push through. In fact, self-belief is often most needed in the toughest moments when everything around you seems to be falling apart and doubt begins to creep in. It's in those times that you need to remind yourself of your strengths and your capacity to handle whatever life throws at you. Even when others doubt you or question your choices, believing in yourself means trusting that you have the right vision for your life and the ability to make it a reality. Belief in oneself does not come automatically. It is something that must be nurtured and cultivated over time. It begins with small victories, overcoming a challenge, learning something new, or simply pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. These small wins build your confidence and slowly reinforce the idea that you are capable of achieving greatness. Over time, these experiences compound, and the belief in your own abilities becomes stronger and more deeply ingrained. But self-belief isn't just about being confident when things are going well. It's about maintaining that belief even when things aren't perfect. Self-belief allows you to view failures not as signs of weakness or defeat, but as learning experiences. Each mistake or setback is a stepping stone on the path to success, and rather than being discouraged by failure, those who truly believe in themselves see it as an opportunity to grow, adapt, and improve. The key to self-belief lies in the way we talk to ourselves. Negative self-talk, such as doubting our own abilities or thinking that we are not good enough, can undermine our confidence and lead to inaction. On the other hand, positive self-talk can help reinforce the belief that we are capable of achieving our goals. It's important to remind ourselves regularly that we are enough, that we are worthy of success, and that our potential is limitless. It's also crucial to surround ourselves with people who lift us up and encourage us to believe in ourselves. The energy we expose ourselves to has a profound impact on our mindset. If you are constantly surrounded by negativity or doubt, it becomes more challenging to maintain your belief in your own abilities. However, when you engage with people who support you, challenge you, and believe in your potential, it becomes easier to stay positive and keep pushing forward. Believing in yourself is not a one-time act, but an ongoing process. It's something that you must reaffirm daily through actions, thoughts, and choices. The more you take action based on the belief that you can achieve something, the more you build a feedback loop of success. Every step you take, no matter how small, reinforces your belief in your ability to accomplish even greater things. And as your belief grows, so does your sense of empowerment and your capacity to handle the challenges that come your way. When you are confident in your abilities, you become unstoppable. No obstacle seems insurmountable, no failure too great, and no goal too distant. You begin to see yourself as the hero of your own story, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Moreover, self-belief is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others begin to believe in you too. Confidence has a ripple effect. It inspires trust, respect, and admiration from those around you. People are drawn to individuals who exude self-assurance and conviction. When you show that you believe in your potential, others are more likely to support you, collaborate with you, and cheer you on. It's this positive energy that helps open doors and creates opportunities. But the starting point is always within you. If you don't believe in yourself first, no one else can believe in you either. Self-belief is the key to unlocking your true potential. It empowers you to take risks, step out of your comfort zone, and pursue your dreams with unshakable confidence. It allows you to embrace challenges, learn from failures, and keep going even when the road ahead seems uncertain. With belief in yourself, you are limitless. You are capable of achieving anything you set your heart on, as long as you trust in your own abilities and keep moving forward with conviction. Taking ownership of your life means recognizing that you are the one who holds the reins to your destiny. It is about understanding that the power to shape your future lies entirely within you. In a world where we are often conditioned to blame external circumstances or other people for the things that happen to us, taking ownership is an act of immense strength. It's easy to dream of success and to talk about the goals you want to achieve, but it takes discipline to take the necessary steps each day to bring those dreams to life. The journey toward any goal is rarely straightforward, and there will be days when motivation wanes or distractions arise. However, when you take ownership, you show up every day, even when it's difficult. You develop the consistency that is required to turn small, everyday actions into long-term success. Discipline allows you to stay focused on your goals and persevere through the inevitable challenges that arise along the way. Another crucial element of ownership is learning to let go of excuses. It's easy to justify inaction with reasons like lack of time, resources, or support. But when you take ownership of your life, you realize that excuses are just barriers you place in front of yourself. While it's true that circumstances can make certain things more difficult, the most successful people are those who refuse to let excuses dictate their action. They recognize that they are responsible for finding solutions, adapting to challenges, and doing what needs to be done, even when the odds are stacked against them. When you take ownership, you stop waiting for the perfect moment or the ideal conditions. You start making the most of what you have, where you are, and with what you can do right now. Finally, taking ownership of your life means accepting that you are the one who must take action. Waiting for things to fall into place on their own is a recipe for frustration. Action is the key to transforming your ideas into reality. Without taking ownership and making a conscious decision to act, your dreams will remain just that, dreams. Taking action doesn't always mean making big, bold moves. Sometimes, it's the small, consistent steps that accumulate over time and lead to significant progress. By taking ownership, you commit to the process of continual improvement and progress, regardless of the immediate outcomes. Taking ownership of your life is the first step toward personal empowerment. It's about accepting responsibility for who you are, where you are, and where you're headed. When you choose to own your life, you become the master of your own fate, capable of shaping your future with purpose, passion, and resilience. Hard work and persistence are often the unsung heroes behind any great achievement. In a world that sometimes celebrates instant success and shortcuts, it can be easy to forget that the true path to mastery and accomplishment is built on consistent effort, determination, and the ability to push through when things get tough. Hard work is the engine that drives progress, while persistence is the fuel that keeps that engine running, even when the road is long and filled with obstacles. These two qualities are inseparable from the journey to success, and they are what ultimately separate those who achieve their goals from those who give up along the way. When we think of hard work, we often envision long hours, sacrifices, and challenges that demand us to give more of ourselves than we thought possible. But hard work isn't just about putting in time. It's about dedication to a process, honing your skills, and pushing your limits. It's about focusing on the goal and not letting distractions or obstacles divert you from the path. The reality is that nothing of value comes without effort. Whether you're pursuing a career, trying to build a business, or mastering a craft, the work you put in is what determines your results. You can't expect success to fall into your lap simply because you wish for it. Hard work means making the choice every day to show up, to give your best, and to stay committed to the pursuit of your goals, no matter how difficult the journey becomes. Persistence, on the other hand, is what allows you to keep going when the inevitable challenges arise. No matter how hard you work, there will be setbacks. There will be times when the outcome is not as expected, when progress seems slow, or when failure feels imminent. But persistence is the quality that keeps you moving forward despite the discouraging circumstances. It's the ability to keep pushing, to refuse to accept defeat, and to maintain faith in your ability to achieve your goals, even when things aren't going as planned. Persistence allows you to view challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as insurmountable obstacles. It's the realization that success doesn't always come in a straight line, but rather as a series of bumps, detours, and corrections along the way. One of the greatest challenges people face when pursuing their dreams is the temptation to quit when results don't come quickly. It's easy to feel disheartened when your efforts don't immediately bear fruit. But this is where persistence becomes essential. Many people fail not because they lack talent or the ability to succeed, but because they give up too soon. They underestimate the importance of perseverance, of staying the course even when the road seems endless. However, those who understand the power of persistence know that the greatest breakthroughs often come right after the point when most people would have quit. The journey to success is not about avoiding failure. It's about learning how to bounce back and keep moving forward after each setback. This persistence is what builds resilience and fortitude, qualities that are indispensable for long-term achievement. The key to combining hard work and persistence is developing a mindset that views challenges as part of the process, not as reasons to give up. Life will throw countless obstacles your way, whether it's personal doubts, external criticism, or circumstances beyond your control. But the ability to persist in the face of adversity is what enables you to push through. There will be moments when the work feels overwhelming, when it seems like no matter how much effort you put in, progress is slow. But this is precisely when persistence becomes a game changer. It's the unwavering belief that with enough time and effort, you will get where you want to go. You learn to embrace the struggle and see it as an essential component of the process rather than something to avoid. One of the most powerful aspects of hard work and persistence is that they lead to growth. When you commit yourself fully to something and keep working at it, even when it's difficult, you build resilience, skill, and knowledge. Each challenge you overcome adds to your experience and prepares you for the next step. You don't just achieve your goals, you evolve along the way. The person you become through this process is often just as important as the achievement itself. Hard work and persistence teach you patience and discipline, qualities that are valuable in every area of life. They shape your character and reinforce your ability to persevere through any difficulty, preparing you for future challenges, no matter how big or small. There's also a deep sense of satisfaction that comes with knowing that your success is the result of your own hard work. In a world where quick fixes and shortcuts are often glamorized, the feeling of accomplishment that comes from knowing you put in the effort and persevered through hardship is unmatched. This satisfaction doesn't just come from the final outcome, but from the process itself, the sweat, the struggles, the late nights, and the sacrifices. Each step forward, no matter how small, builds a sense of pride and fulfillment because you know that you earned. Hard work and persistence also create a sense of momentum. When you commit to putting in consistent effort over time, you start to gain momentum. Even if progress seems slow at first, eventually, the efforts begin to compound. What may have felt like a daunting task in the beginning becomes something manageable as the work you've put in starts to pay off. This momentum is what drives you to keep going and to push through challenges, knowing that each small action is bringing you closer to your goal. This snowball effect is powerful because it creates a positive feedback loop where hard work leads to success, which in turn motivates you to keep working hard, creating a cycle of growth and achievement. In the end, Hard work and persistence are the keys to unlocking your full potential. It's easy to look at successful people and assume that their success came effortlessly or through some stroke of luck. But behind every success story, there's an untold amount of hard work, sacrifice, and persistence that enable that person to overcome obstacles and reach their goals. These two qualities are the driving forces behind every accomplishment. And the more you cultivate them, the more you'll realize that success is not just about talent or opportunity. It's about your willingness to work tirelessly and keep going, no matter what stands in your way. The belief that you are the only one who can create your future is a powerful mindset that brings clarity and direction to your life. It shifts the responsibility from external factors to the one person who has the greatest influence over your life, yourself. This realization can be liberating because it means that you are in control of your own journey. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that success depends on luck, external support, or the approval of others. However, when you adopt the belief that only you have the power to shape your future, it instills a sense of agency that drives action, resilience, and determination. Instead, you begin to take responsibility for your choices, your actions, and the way you react to life's challenges. Life may throw unexpected obstacles your way, and external circumstances may be out of your control. But how you respond to those challenges is entirely up to you. The ability to take ownership of your future empowers you to move forward with intention, knowing that you have the ability to navigate through the ups and downs. Instead of looking for someone else to solve your problems or give you a step-by-step guide to success, you realize that the answers lie within you. This is the key to creating your own future. Trusting that you are capable of making decisions and taking actions that align with your goals. Creating your own future also means developing a vision for your life. It's not enough to simply go through the motions or follow a predetermined path that others expect you to take. When you take control of your future, you start with a clear vision of what you want to achieve and how you want to live. This vision acts as your guiding light, helping you stay focused and motivated even when things get difficult. The clearer your vision, the easier it becomes to make decisions that align with your goals. It's easy to get distracted by what others are doing or by the expectations society places on you. But when you are the one creating your future, you prioritize your own desires and dreams. You no longer feel pressured to follow someone else's path. You create your own unique journey. The belief that you are the only one who can create your future also fosters a sense of accountability. When you take ownership of your future, you are no longer reliant on others to validate your choices or actions. You understand that your success is determined by your willingness to put in the work, make the sacrifices, and take the risks necessary to achieve your goals. This accountability is crucial because it keeps you motivated and focused even in moments of doubt. Rather than blaming external circumstances or other people for your setbacks, you learn to see challenges as opportunities for growth. When you take full responsibility for your future, you become less likely to make excuses and more likely to take proactive steps toward your dreams. Part of creating your own future involves making difficult decisions. It's easy to follow the path of least resistance to stay in a situation that feels comfortable, even if it isn't fulfilling. However, creating the future you desire often requires you to step outside of your comfort zone and make bold choices. These decisions might involve taking risks, changing careers, leaving toxic relationships, or pursuing a new direction altogether. Each of these decisions demands courage and the willingness to trust in yourself and your ability to handle whatever comes your way. When you recognize that you are the architect of your future, you understand that you have the power to shape your destiny. This means that every choice you make is a building block toward the life you envision for yourself. The idea that only you can create your future also encourages self-reliance. While it's important to seek advice, learn from others, and collaborate when necessary, the ultimate responsibility for your future lies with you. You are the one who must make the final decisions, take the actions, and deal with the consequences of your choices. This self-reliance empowers you to trust your intuition and make decisions based on what feels right for you, rather than constantly seeking validation from others. You become more confident in your ability to handle challenges and to trust your instincts as you move forward. Additionally, believing that you are the creator of your future fosters a growth mindset. When you understand that your future is not predetermined, you realize that you have the ability to grow, learn, and evolve at any stage in life. This mindset helps you embrace change and see challenges as opportunities for personal development. Instead of being intimidated by obstacles, you approach them with the understanding that they are part of the process. You are not defined by your past failures or limitations. Rather, you are defined by your ability to learn from them and use those lessons to fuel your future success. This mindset allows you to keep moving forward, even when things are tough, because you know that every step you take is bringing you closer to the future you desire. The belief that you are the only one who can create your future also encourages perseverance. No matter how clear your vision is or how hard you work, there will be moments when things don't go as planned. You may encounter setbacks, delays, or unexpected challenges that threaten to derail your progress. However, when you believe that you are in control of your future, you develop the resilience needed to keep going. Rather than giving up or feeling defeated, you focus on finding solutions, adjusting your approach, and continuing to take consistent action toward your goals. Persistence becomes your ally as you keep pushing forward, knowing that success is the result of continuous effort and determination. Boundaries are the invisible lines we draw around ourselves, whether physically, emotionally, or mentally, to protect our well-being. They define what is acceptable and what is not, guiding how we interact with the world and how others interact with us. Though often overlooked or misunderstood, boundaries are essential for maintaining a healthy sense of self and for fostering positive, respectful relationships. Without boundaries, we risk becoming overwhelmed, drained, or manipulated, and our personal identity can become blurred by the expectations and demands of others. At the core of boundary setting is self-respect. Knowing where we end and others begin allows us to maintain a sense of autonomy and agency over our lives. When we set boundaries, we are essentially telling the world, this is who I am and these are my needs. This act of self-definition is fundamental to preserving our mental and emotional health. Boundaries provide a way for us to assert our needs, to say no when something doesn't align with our values or priorities, and to ensure that we are not giving too much of ourselves to situations or people that do not honor or appreciate us. Without clear boundaries, we often find ourselves saying yes when we mean no, giving more than we can afford emotionally, or tolerating behavior that hurts us. This can lead to resentment, burnout, and feelings of being overwhelmed. We may start to feel as though we are living for others instead of ourselves, losing sight of our own desires and needs in the process. In relationships, whether personal or professional, not having boundaries can lead to unhealthy dynamics where one person becomes overburdened or manipulated, while the other may take advantage of their good nature or willingness to please. Setting boundaries also helps to manage our time and energy effectively. In a world that constantly demands our attention through work, social media, family, and friends, having boundaries is essential to protect our time for the things that matter most to us. Without boundaries, we may find ourselves stretched thin, constantly juggling responsibilities and obligations, leaving little room for rest, self-care, or personal growth. When we set clear limits, we prioritize what is truly important and make space for the activities and relationships that bring us joy and fulfillment. We learn to say no to distractions or obligations that don't align with our values, freeing up time for the things that nurture our soul and support our goals. Boundaries also create a foundation for trust and respect in relationships. Whether in a romantic partnership, friendships, or the workplace, people are more likely to respect and value us when we are clear about what we are willing to accept and what we are not. When we communicate our boundaries and enforce them consistently, we demonstrate that we value ourselves and expect the same from others. This creates an environment where mutual respect can thrive, and people are more likely to treat us in ways that honor our needs and desires. Without boundaries, we may inadvertently enable toxic behavior, allowing others to overstep their limits and take advantage of our time, energy, or emotions. Additionally, boundaries provide a sense of emotional safety. They allow us to protect ourselves from harm, whether it comes in the form of emotional manipulation, verbal abuse, or toxic behavior. When we have established emotional boundaries, we are less likely to tolerate hurtful behavior or allow others to push us past our limits. This is not to say that we should build walls around ourselves or shut others out, but rather that we should protect our emotional well being by clearly communicating our needs and enforcing limits when necessary. By doing so, we safeguard our mental health and create relationships that are based on respect and understanding. Setting boundaries also helps us manage conflict in a healthy way. Many people avoid confrontation or difficult conversations out of fear of upsetting others or causing tension. However, avoiding necessary boundary setting can lead to passive aggressive behavior, resentment, or an eventual explosion of emotion. Learning to set boundaries allows us to address issues directly and respectfully without allowing anger or frustration to build up over time. By addressing problems as they arise and expressing our needs clearly, we prevent misunderstandings and create an open space for constructive dialogue. This fosters better communication and problem solving, ensuring that relationships remain positive and supportive rather than becoming strained or toxic. Moreover, boundaries are essential for personal growth. They help us recognize our limits and identify where we need to focus our energy in order to move forward in life. By setting boundaries, we are forced to reflect on our values, priorities, and goals. We become more self-aware and attuned to our inner needs, which allows us to make choices that align with our true selves. Without boundaries, we may find ourselves drifting aimlessly, reacting to external pressures rather than consciously directing our own lives. Boundaries serve as a compass, helping us navigate the complexities of life and stay true to our own path. Setting boundaries is a skill that requires practice, especially if we have been conditioned to put others' needs ahead of our own, or if we have been taught to avoid conflict. At first, it can feel uncomfortable or even selfish to say no or to enforce limits, especially if we fear disappointing others or causing conflict. However, as we practice setting and maintaining boundaries, we begin to realize that they are not only necessary for our own well-being, but they also contribute to the health and longevity of our relationships. By taking care of ourselves and ensuring that our needs are met, we are better able to show up for others in a meaningful and sustainable way. Setting boundaries is not about shutting people out. It's about creating space where everyone's needs are respected and honored. Over time, boundary setting becomes more intuitive, and we become more confident in our ability to maintain healthy limits. We start to understand that it is okay to say no, to ask for what we need, and to walk away from situations that drain us. We learn to trust ourselves and our instincts, and we begin to value our time, energy, and emotional well-being as much as we value those of others. When we live with clear boundaries, we are able to show up fully in our lives, relationships, and work because we have created a foundation of respect, self-care, and emotional safety. In the end, boundaries are not about shutting people out or being rigid. They are about protecting our inner peace, creating space for what matters most, and ensuring that we are able to live authentically and with purpose. You said, success is the best revenge expend in 800 words without headings and conclusion. ChatGPT said, the phrase success is the best revenge has long been a sentiment shared by many who have experienced hardship, rejection, or mistreatment. It suggests that rather than engaging in petty retaliation or seeking to prove someone wrong through direct confrontation, the most powerful response is to focus on one's own growth, achievement, and success. In essence, when we thrive and achieve our goals, it sends a message that we are unaffected by negativity and criticism, and that we are capable of moving forward and creating a life defined by our own terms. When we are hurt or wronged, it's natural to feel a desire to retaliate. The feeling of injustice can ignite a fire of anger and resentment that pushes us to want to get even with those who have wronged us. However, engaging in revenge, whether it's through harsh words, actions, or attempting to harm someone's reputation, often leaves us more bitter and more entangled in negative emotions. The pursuit of revenge rarely brings the satisfaction or closure we expect. In fact, it often prolongs our suffering, keeping us fixated on the very people or situations that caused us pain. Instead of feeling empowered, we may end up feeling trapped in a cycle of negativity. On the other hand, success, in whatever form that may take, is a far more potent and fulfilling form of revenge. Success is inherently positive, a demonstration of growth, resilience, and the ability to overcome obstacles. It is something that cannot be easily taken away by others. Unlike the fleeting satisfaction of revenge, success has lasting power. It affirms your worth and proves that you are capable of rising above difficulties. Success shows the world that no matter what challenges you face, you have the strength and determination to keep going and to thrive. It tells others that their attempts to bring you down were in vain and that their negativity cannot hold you back. The concept of success as revenge is also deeply connected to the idea of living for yourself and not for the approval or validation of others. When we are motivated by the desire to show others that we can succeed, we give away our power. We allow their opinions and actions to dictate our choices and our sense of self-worth. But when we focus on success as a personal goal, something that aligns with our own dreams, values, and desires, we regain control over our lives. Success becomes a byproduct of our own ambition, hard work, and perseverance, not a reaction to someone else's negativity or malice. We begin to define our own path, unaffected by the judgments or criticisms of those who may have doubted us. Moreover, success as revenge is not just about proving others wrong. It's about healing and finding peace within yourself. Often the people who hurt us or cause us pain are not even aware of the impact of their actions. Holding on to resentment or plotting revenge only keeps us anchored to the past, to their behavior, and to the emotional wounds they inflict. Success allows us to let go of these negative emotions and focus on what truly matters. It shifts our energy away from the hurtful person or situation and redirects it towards something constructive, toward creating a future that reflects our true potential. When we find success, it can serve as a reminder that we are in control of our own lives. Life is full of challenges and obstacles, but success teaches us how to navigate them with grace and determination. Success gives us the courage to keep pushing forward, even when faced with adversity. It is a testament to our ability to rise above the setbacks and criticisms that inevitably come our way. In this way, success becomes a form of personal liberation, allowing us to break free from the limitations and expectations that others may have imposed upon us. Another powerful aspect of success as revenge is that it encourages a focus on growth rather than bitterness. Success is not achieved by dwelling on the mistakes or flaws of others. Instead, it requires us to focus on our own progress and development. It encourages us to take responsibility for our own actions and to continuously work toward improving ourselves. By focusing on self-improvement, we are able to turn any negative experience into an opportunity for growth. We use the challenges and obstacles in our lives as stepping stones, learning valuable lessons that propel us forward toward greater achievements. Furthermore, when we achieve success, it not only benefits us personally, but it can also inspire and motivate others. Success has the power to shine a light on our abilities and talents, and it can serve as an example of what is possible when we remain determined and focused on our goals. The people who may have doubted or mistreated us may eventually see that we have risen above their negativity and achieved something great. In turn, this can inspire them to reflect on their own actions and perhaps even make changes in their own lives. Success, therefore, has the power to influence not just ourselves but also those around us, encouraging a more positive and supportive environment for everyone involved. In the end, success is far more than a way to get revenge on others. It is a reflection of our own strength, resilience, and capacity to overcome difficulties. It is a reminder that, no matter what challenges we face, we have the power to shape our own future. Success becomes the ultimate response to negativity and hurt, as it demonstrates our ability to rise above circumstances and make something meaningful out of our lives. Rather than getting caught up in cycles of resentment and anger, we can focus our energy on achieving our dreams, knowing that this is the most powerful and lasting form of revenge. By succeeding on our own terms, we take control of our narrative, proving that no one can define us or limit our potential. Success is not just about surpassing others. It is about surpassing ourselves and embracing the journey toward becoming the best version of who we are. Believing that success is possible, no matter what the circumstances, is a mindset that separates those who achieve their dreams from those who give up before reaching them. The world is full of people who face adversity, struggle against odds, and yet, despite it all, rise to success because they refuse to be defeated. In life, it's easy to get discouraged when things don't go as planned, when the road seems too long, or when obstacles appear insurmountable. However, when you believe that success is possible, no matter what the circumstances, you develop a resilience that propels you to keep moving forward, even when every part of you feels like giving up. This belief in the possibility of success, regardless of circumstances, is what helps you maintain focus and determination, especially during difficult times. When you trust that success is achievable, you are more likely to take the necessary steps to reach it. Rather than getting bogged down by temporary failures or setbacks, you begin to see these moments as part of the journey toward your ultimate goal. They are not signs that you should quit, but rather signs that you are pushing through challenges and learning along the way. It is this perspective that allows you to maintain a positive outlook, even when things don't seem to be progressing as quickly or smoothly as you'd like. Success rarely comes without a series of setbacks. It's important to recognize that difficulties are inevitable, and they are not a reflection of your worth or abilities. The belief that success is possible, regardless of circumstances, means that you don't view challenges as insurmountable barriers, but as opportunities for growth. Challenges are a natural part of life, and the more you encounter them, the stronger and more prepared you become for the next hurdle. This mindset encourages you to keep pushing forward, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Success is not about avoiding failure. It's about how you respond to it and how you use the lessons learned from each failure to fuel your next attempt. This belief in success also requires the courage to take risks. When the circumstances around you are not ideal, it's easy to get caught up in self-doubt and fear of failure. You may question whether it's worth pursuing your dreams when the path seems unclear or uncertain. However, when you hold fast to the belief that success is possible, no matter the circumstances, you realize that fear of failure is often the biggest obstacle to achieving your goal. By embracing the unknown and stepping out of your comfort zone, you open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences that can lead you to success. This courage doesn't mean you won't feel fear or uncertainty. It means that you choose to act in spite of those feelings. At times, you may also face criticism or doubt from others. People may question your ability, or they may tell you that success is not achievable in your chosen field or under your given circumstances. When you believe that success is possible, no matter what, you develop the strength to ignore these voices and focus on your own journey. You understand that other people's opinions are shaped by their own experiences and limitations, not yours. This belief empowers you to block out negativity and stay true to your vision. It helps you avoid being swayed by naysayers and instead stay focused on your own path. Believing that success is possible also helps you cultivate the patience and perseverance needed to achieve your goals. Success is rarely instant, and the path to achieving your dreams is rarely a straight line. The belief that success is possible despite the obstacles you face keeps you moving forward during the inevitable tough times. This perseverance helps you continue taking action even when the results are not immediately visible. It encourages you to keep working hard, even when it feels like you are not making progress. Over time, your consistent efforts will accumulate and lead you toward the success you are striving for. The belief in the possibility of success keeps you going when others might give up, reminding you that every step forward, no matter how small, is a step closer to achieving your goals. The importance of consistency cannot be overstated. It is often the daily small actions that over time add up to big results. When you believe that success is possible, no matter what the circumstances, you recognize that every effort counts. You understand that success is not just about one big break, but about the accumulation of consistent, intentional actions over time. This belief encourages you to keep showing up, even on days when progress feels slow. Each day you continue to push forward, even if it feels like you're not making huge strides, is a day that brings you closer to the life you want to create. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, it becomes inevitable. This mindset also shifts your focus from the outcome to the process. When you are focused solely on the end result, it's easy to become discouraged when you don't achieve immediate success. However, believing in success, no matter what the circumstances, encourages you to embrace the journey. It teaches you to appreciate the lessons learned, the growth experienced, and the small victories along the way. This shift in focus makes the journey itself enjoyable and meaningful, and it reduces the pressure you may feel to achieve perfection or instant results. Success becomes a series of moments rather than one ultimate destination. One of the most powerful aspects of believing in success is that it allows you to remain adaptable and flexible. Circumstances change, and the world around you is constantly evolving. The path you initially envisioned may not always be the path you ultimately take, but the belief that success is possible enables you to remain open to alternative routes. It allows you to pivot when necessary, adjust your strategies, and continue moving forward, even when things don't go according to plan. Success in this sense becomes not a rigid goal, but a flexible, evolving process that requires you to adjust to challenges, embrace opportunities, and stay committed to your vision. Ultimately, believing that success is possible, no matter what the circumstances, creates an unwavering foundation for your journey. It gives you the strength to keep going when things get tough, the courage to take risks, the persistence to overcome setbacks, and the patience to trust the process. With this belief, success becomes not just a distant dream, but a reality within your grasp. It's the mindset that turns obstacles into stepping stones and challenges into opportunities for growth. With this belief, anything is possible. But self-confidence is often the key to unlocking your fullest potential. When you truly believe in yourself, you enable yourself to reach heights that would otherwise seem unattainable. Confidence is not just about being sure of your abilities, but about trusting in your own worth and potential, even when the world around you may not always validate it. This belief in yourself becomes the fuel that propels you forward, especially during times of uncertainty or when facing obstacles. It allows you to overcome fear, take risks, and step outside your comfort zone with the conviction that you have what it takes to succeed. Having self-confidence doesn't mean you will never face doubts or moments of uncertainty. Instead, it means that you trust in your ability to navigate challenges and learn from them. Self-confidence empowers you to keep going, even when the odds seem stacked against you. The foundation of self-confidence lies in understanding that your value is inherent. It's easy to fall into the trap of measuring your worth based on external factors such as success, approval from others, or external validation. However, true confidence comes from knowing that you are valuable simply because you exist. No achievement, no compliment, and no accolade can define your worth. When you embrace this understanding, you are no longer reliant on others' opinions to feel good about yourself. You recognize that your worth is not determined by what others think or how they perceive you, but by your own beliefs and actions. This realization is liberating because it allows you to move through the world with authenticity, unapologetically owning who you are. It removes the need for constant validation and frees you from the cycle of seeking approval from others. True self-confidence also stems from knowing that failure is not an indication of your inability, but a part of the learning process. Everyone experiences failure at some point, but how you respond to it makes all the difference. Self-confidence allows you to view failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback. Instead of internalizing failure as a reflection of your self-worth, you learn to see it as an opportunity to improve and grow. When you are confident in your ability to bounce back, failure becomes less intimidating. It's not the end, but a chance to reassess, adjust, and try again. The belief in your ability to recover and learn from mistakes reinforces your self-confidence and fortifies your resilience. Confidence also plays a critical role in pushing you to take risks. The fear of failure or fear of the unknown can often prevent people from pursuing opportunities or stepping outside their comfort zone. However, when you have confidence in yourself, you trust that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way. Taking risks becomes an exciting challenge rather than a frightening prospect. Whether it's pursuing a new career, starting a business, or taking on a challenging project, confidence helps you take the first step even when the future is uncertain. This willingness to take risks is what ultimately propels you towards success. because you are willing to try, even if success is not guaranteed. Confidence gives you the courage to move forward, knowing that even if things don't go as planned, you will find a way to learn and adapt. Another key aspect of self confidence is the ability to set boundaries and advocate for your own needs. When you are confident in your own worth, you are able to communicate your needs clearly and assertively. You no longer tolerate situations or relationships that diminish your sense of self. Whether it's in your personal life or professional career, self confidence empowers you to stand up for yourself and protect your well being. It helps you to say a no when necessary, to assert your opinions, and to ensure that your values are respected. This ability to advocate for yourself strengthens your sense of control over your life and reinforces the belief that you are deserving of respect and consideration. Self confidence also allows you to handle criticism and feedback more effectively. No one is immune to criticism, but how you handle it speaks volumes about your self confidence. Rather than letting negative feedback undermine your self worth, you use it as a tool for growth. Confident individuals are able to separate their sense of self from criticism, allowing them to accept constructive feedback without taking it personally. They view criticism as a valuable opportunity to learn and improve rather than as a reflection of their inadequacies. This mindset enables them to grow stronger and more capable as they don't let criticism derail their self-esteem. Moreover, self-confidence cultivates a positive mindset. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to approach challenges with optimism and determination. You see opportunities instead of obstacles, and you trust that you can find a way to make things work, even when the path is unclear. This positive outlook is contagious, and it helps attract others who believe in you as well. When you exude confidence, others are more likely to see your potential and support your efforts. This creates a cycle of positivity where your belief in yourself encourages those around you, and their support further strengthens your confidence. Confidence also allows you to be more decisive. Indecision often arises from fear of making the wrong choice or fear of failure. But when you trust in yourself and your ability to handle whatever comes your way, decision making becomes easier. You don't second guess yourself constantly because you trust that you will make the best decision possible, given the circumstances. This decisiveness enables you to move forward with clarity and conviction, eliminating unnecessary stress and doubt. Being confident in your ability to make choices also helps you embrace uncertainty, knowing that no decision is ever entirely without risk. Finally, self-confidence helps you build stronger relationships. When you are confident in who you are, you attract people who appreciate you for your true self. Confidence allows you to engage with others without fear of judgment or rejection, creating genuine, authentic connections. People are drawn to those who exude confidence because it inspires trust and respect. In relationships, whether personal or professional, confidence enables you to communicate more effectively, express your feelings openly, and create a sense of mutual respect and understanding. It strengthens your ability to collaborate and work with others, as you are secure in your own abilities and not threatened by the success or opinions of others. In the end, self-confidence is not about being perfect or never doubting yourself. It's about trusting that, despite the challenges, you have the ability to handle what comes your way. It's about embracing your strengths, learning from your mistakes, and always moving forward with the belief that you are worthy of success, happiness, and fulfillment. With self-confidence, you become unstoppable.